Hello everyone and welcome back to Introduction to Java Object-Oriented Programming, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lambda expression. And what is a Lambda expression, you might ask? So a Lambda expression is essentially what Java 8 has to offer in terms of new syntactical improvement to make our life easier, and also it can help us to achieve something we call functional programming. Alright, so why should we use Lambda? So Lambda is basically and essentially a way for us to call anonymous function that can help us to in a way for us to cut down on the number of lines that we need to do in order to achieve something. Alright, so in this one, for example, we got hello world. Seems like a simple one, right? So if we do clear this one out, run this one, and gonna try to run it. Yep, we'll get hello world. So for now, what if we want to try to convert all of these into uppercase? It's simple, like not exactly simple, but it's worth a try. So for example, we got a method convert to uppercase over here that would take hello world and as one of them, and also we got another sort of like processor in here. So before that, we need to know something that is called functional interface. So a functional interface is something essentially for us to call, and it got only one method into it that does all of the thing that we want to. So we're gonna type for this one interface, for example, word formatter, for example. And then in this one, we will declare a method that return a type string. It is convert to uppercase. It will take in a string, which is the thing that we are trying to convert to uppercase over here, which is hello world. And with the string, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna try new new word formatter. So new word formatter. Alright, so with this instance in here, we're gonna try to override it. So public string convert to uppercase, and then we're gonna try to pass in another string in order to convert it to uppercase. And then in this one, we will return not this, return str dot to uppercase, right? And before that, we also need another function, which is going to be a private function or a public, depending on your choice. Private static string, and this one would be convert to uppercase, which is going to be this convert uppercase, not this one, convert to uppercase. And this one would take in a string, which is a string, hello world here, and the next one would be a word formatter interface, word formatter, so formatter. Alright, so in this one we would essentially call return formatter, which is the word formatter that we are trying to use, dot convert to uppercase, and then we'll try to pass in the string itself. So we're going to try to run this. The hello world over here would be passed into the string, and then the formatter over here, which is the interface, would call the method convert to uppercase, and then the convert to uppercase, which we already overridden in here, would actually return a string that can be transformed into an uppercase string. Alright, so let's try running it, and it should give us an uppercase string. Clear that, run it. Yep, so we got a hello world over here. So as you can see, we spent around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines just to transform hello world, which is essentially what we got over here, into an uppercase character. So we do have something else, which is Lambda expression. And with Lambda expression, we can literally cut down on the time that we write the whole things out. So with that, we can essentially write not with this one, but we would write, for example, we got str as the string, which will be implemented to, and then we got a parenthesis over here. We're gonna try to delete this one. We don't need, we're gonna try to delete that one too. We don't need that. We don't need that. Yep. I mean, like, technically we still need this one. Yeah. So it's as far as I'm concerned. So let's try running it again. Yep, I'm still doing the same thing. So yeah, essentially that's Lambda expression, a way for you to minimize the number of code that you have to write. See you guys in the next video, and hopefully this video is helpful. I know it's short, but hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to convey here. Hope you guys like it. See you guys in the next video.